In this tutorial, I will show you how to replace the wheels on a Lawnbott LB3550. You will need an 8 and 4mm hex wrench and a screwdriver. To loosen the screw, use your 8mm hex wrench and brace the wheel to keep it from turning. Once you have it loose, you can put the bot on its side, or you can start with the bot on its side. It's all up to you. Now all you have to do is lift off the old wheel. While the wheel is off, you might want to clean out any debris from the wheel in the shaft area. The new wheels are slightly bigger, so you'll have to angle it a little bit to get it under the top cover and onto the shaft. Once the wheel is centered, just move it around a bit until it slides down onto the shaft. That's it. Now all you have to do is put the screw back in. Tighten the screw down just enough so it's tight. Don't over tighten. Do the same thing for the second wheel. Since the wheels are slightly bigger around, you will need to install spacers in the charging station. Lift up the charging station to access the 4 screws and 2 plates. There is a plate on each side that has 2 screws. Use a 4mm hex to remove them. Put the spacer on the top side between the base and the charger arch. The replacement screws that came with my kit had Phillips head. Once the spacers are in place and the screws are tightened down, you're done. All that's left to do is to see if the bot makes it back into the charging station without any issues.